Hey everyone, this is Connor from RIT with a quick video on how to use the Discord server for our 2020 Frameless XR Symposium. I'm on a brand new account here, so the first thing we have to do is to join the server. You're going to get a Discord link emailed to you, which you can either click on or copy and paste into the join window as I'm doing here. Now once you've connected, make sure to read everything in the announcements and welcome channels on the left panel. When you're done reading, click the icon underneath the welcome message to gain access to the rest of the server. Now that you've gained access to the rest of the server, let's go over what each text channel is for. Symposium discussion is for discussing the symposium or topics directly relating to it. Off topic is for discussing pretty much anything else. And tech support is a great way to get help with any technology issues you may have during the event. If you need to contact a staff member, you can simply type @eventstaff and send that message and they will all get notified. If you need to contact an interpreter, you can do that as well by typing @interpreter and hitting enter. Now we're going to discuss the room channels. These channels can be found in the rooms category on the left side. Each of these channels has a link at the top of it. Clicking this link will redirect you to the room on Mozilla Hubs. Once you get redirected to Mozilla Hubs, you can click Enter Room, choose your name, choose an avatar, and hit Accept. Now you'll have to grant your browser permissions to use your microphone, check that your microphone is working, test your sound, and then you can hit Enter. Now you've joined the room and you can walk around. Now we've gone over the basics of how to use Discord and Mozilla Hubs for our 2020 Frameless XR Symposium. I hope this helped you all and have a great time.